Welcome to Part 2 of Vegetables Vocabulary. 11. Spinach. Meaning, a leafy green vegetable rich in vitamins. Example: spinach is good for your health. Synonyms: leafy vegetable. 12. Broccoli. Meaning, a green vegetable with a large flowering head. Example: I like steamed broccoli. Antonyms: cauliflower. 13. Cauliflower. Meaning, a white vegetable with a round flowering head. Example: my mother cooked cauliflower soup. Antonyms: broccoli. 14. Celery. Meaning, a green vegetable with long crunchy stalks. Example: celery is often used in soup. Synonyms: stalk vegetable. 15. Asparagus. Meaning, a long green vegetable with tender stems. Example: asparagus tastes delicious when grilled. 16. Green bean. Meaning, a long green vegetable with edible pods. Example: she cooked green beans for dinner. Synonyms: string bean. 17. Peas. Meaning, small round green seeds eaten as vegetables. Example: the soup contains peas. 18. Bell pepper. Meaning, a sweet pepper that comes in different colors. Example: red bell peppers are very sweet. Synonyms: sweet pepper. Antonyms: chili pepper. 19. Chili pepper. Meaning, a small hot pepper used to add spice to food. Example: this chili pepper is very spicy. Synonyms: hot pepper. Antonyms: bell pepper. 20. Mushroom. Meaning, a fungus that is commonly used in cooking. Example: we added mushrooms to the soup. Synonyms: edible fungus. Subscribe for Part 3. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.